welcome to my new blog post 7. And in this blog post, I'm going to discuss about the relational model. So let us start. So when we talk about the relational model, it is the most popular data model in database management system. It is more scientific model than other models, and this model is based on first order predicate logic and defines a table as an array relation. So what does that mean? It means that data is basically stored in tables that are called relations. So this is the table, right? And uh, each table or each relation have some columns. So columns could be like, for example, in this case, ID, name, class, and section. And when we talk about columns in a relation, it means columns in a relation contains values from a same domain. For example, there is a column ID, and the ID has a atomicity, has atomic value, a unique value, like unique values with a unique data type. For example, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15, which is a unique numerical data types, or any other data type is actually not allowed in the ID column. So there is a name in which it should have the string values, and then there is a class, again numeric value, and in section there is a single character value. So not a string, but a character value can only be stored in the section column, right? So so the table also contains uh, uh, normalized relations, and which actually used to store the atomic values. So what does that mean? Like each uh, a column holds a name, particular name. So a column ID is basically an attribute, and a name actually is an attribute of the relation. So when we talk about uh, rows or the tuple, each row in relation basically contains a unique value. It means like when you combine the values of different columns in a one row, it will create a unique value in itself. Like 13, Ahmad, 16, and B, basically these are unique value which are absent from any other value, which is actually present in the table. So this is the basically the this is the basic relational model is. And all I will uh, in future blogs I will discuss more about normalization. I hope so you have understood the basic relational model statics from this blog post.